Lucyandclaire charleston.com gives more of a boutique shopping feel rather than a large fashion marketplace. The homepage is arranged around women's clothing collections, sales sections, and category menus that are easy to move through. Dresses, tops, skirts, loafers, sandals, two-piece sets, and casual fashion items appear across different sections of the website. One thing that stands out quickly is the heavy focus on a moving sale, with discounts shown in many places while browsing. The website also highlights things like free shipping and return support directly on the homepage. Now coming to the products, the store mainly focuses on women's fashion. You will mostly see dresses, casual tops, blouses, skirts, shoes, loafers, sandals, and matching outfit sets. Product pages include multiple photos, and clothing is shown through model images rather than plain catalog-style pictures. The website tries to make shopping feel simple by grouping products into collections like floral dresses, elegant dresses, comfort dresses, and casual wear. When checking product details, descriptions are available on listings, but they stay fairly simple. Most information focuses on appearance, fit, comfort, or styling rather than giving deep details about fabric quality, stitching, or long-term durability. In simple words, the descriptions help explain the look of the clothing more than the technical side of the product. Pricing is one of the biggest things you notice while browsing. Large discounts are shown on many products, and several listings display higher prices crossed out beside lower sale prices. Sale messaging appears throughout the website and clearly becomes a major part of how the store presents itself. Now talking about the About Us side, I could not verify a separate About Us page on the website. However, the homepage itself contains a short story about Lucy and Claire and describes the brand as a mother and daughter boutique connected to Charleston and moving online. Beyond that homepage story, detailed business background or ownership information is not clearly explained. The contact section is available, and customer support details are clearly shown. The website provides a support email, response time information, customer service hours, and a contact option for order-related help. This information appears in policy sections and on the website footer. The return and refund policy page is available and explains return conditions in more detail. The website mentions a 14-day return period, says customers must contact support before returning an item, and explains that return shipping costs are the customer's responsibility. Refund timelines and cancellation rules are also mentioned, so this becomes one of the pages buyers should read carefully before ordering. Shipping information is available through policy sections, and the website also promotes free shipping during browsing. However, buyers should still check the shipping details carefully before placing an order so they understand timelines and conditions clearly. Payment methods are clearly mentioned on the website. Before checkout, the store lists options like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, Amazon Pay, and Diners Club. A dedicated payment methods page is available and payment-related information is explained there. Customer ratings appear on products and the website presents trust-related messages around shopping and support. However, before buying from any website, it is still helpful to spend time checking outside customer experiences as well. Overall, Lucyandclaire charleston.com looks visually organized and easy to browse, with visible policy pages, contact details, payment information, and clear product categories. At the same time, buyers should still read return and shipping terms properly and spend time checking details carefully before making larger purchases. And if you want more genuine website reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.